Hi, welcome to SAP AppGyver. I was asked what an IT landscape has to look like to be able to use SAP AppGyver. The answer is, so often, it depends. It depends on what exactly you want to realize. The integration of other systems is done via the Data tab in the toolbar. Today I have brought 3 examples that we will look at to understand how flexible it is to integrate SAP AppGyver. The first example comes from Matthias. Matthias wanted to build an app with SAP AppGyver to process and visualize geographical data. The result is the fast food finder. Here you can see which fast food restaurants are how far away depending on your current location. The challenge here is, how does Matthias get the geodata displayed in the app? We now see a solution. First, an AppGyver account was created. And then an SAP Business Technology Platform free tier account was created. Now, an SAP HANA Cloud instance is set up because here the spatial calculations are performed in SAP HANA based on the dataset previously uploaded from OpenStreetMap. Finally, GeoServer is deployed and set up via Kyma, and GeoServer publishes the results, which can then be used with AppGyver. You can find Matthias' detailed report in a blog post we have linked to below the video, as well as the following examples. Next, we look at the water recycling case. Here, the customer Jane orders the water treatment system via the app. The system is installed and now sends data such as the liters already used or the maintenance status. In this way, Jane is informed if she should replace the filters, or if there is a need for a major maintenance or repair, the company can be notified via the IoT platform. In this IT landscape, we have everything from a single source. On the SAP Business Technology Platform, we find everything we need to implement such a project. In addition, solutions from the customer experience portfolio, such as the Sales and Service Cloud, are integrated. Here, the information from the water treatment system and the data from the end user, in example Jane or the Technikon, flow together. In the next application, the end user will be able to call up customer contacts and product information. Google Maps will be integrated for the location of the customer's office. For this purpose, the web view from the SAP AppGyver Marketplace can be used. And the products are to be identified with the help of a barcode scanner. This time, the SAP Integration Suite and Connectivity Service were used to ensure an exchange with the Software as a Service solution SAP Cloud for Customer. I hope these examples helped you to get a good impression of a possible IT landscape that can be used with SAP AppGyver. See you next time.